Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with this really cool Roe custom knife for a maintenance review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's go ahead. So for this one you're gonna need a T8, a T6, and just some nano oil to lube the bearings in there. This is an interesting one. So T6 here to remove the carbon fiber scales. This is called the Hostile Intent knife. It's an interesting custom knife. Let me see here. This should come out with a T8 like here. So this is out. Let me see. Maybe I need to... No, I'm pretty sure I need to remove these carbon fiber scales. So this is out and this is out. So why this is not coming out? Let's just push the pivot that way and blade gently out. So that is like that. Okay, so this can come out. Oh, there's an internal pin, so definitely need to remove these scales, because I'm assuming there's another couple of screws. Yeah, exactly, right underneath that. So, and they're also going to be T6. So just 2 bits to take this guy down. And look at that, worked like a charm. Nice Damascus pivot collar. These to me look like skiff bearings, and you have just a set of carbon fiber scales, which we can actually clean up nicely. Nice, look at the detail of the Damascus pivot collar. It's nicely done, guys, I have to say. So that is it. This is the titanium liner, which we are going to clean from all this grease and gunk and whatever it is, like so. Ooh, look at this. That's a nice, very nice backspacer, nice Damascus indeed. Nice pattern. And also we can clean up all this area here. Let's just pop that out so we can clean the track underneath. So so that is done. We can also just do a thorough cleaning of these bearings, which, by the way, I'm pretty sure these are skiff bearings. They look like skiff bearings. And that is done. Just clean the tang of the blade nicely indeed. Done. Also another pivot collar, and that is perfect. Done. So that's it, guys. So 1, 2, and 1, 2. They're here, and we can just put this guy back together. All right. So I know that this pivot collar is not parallel. I mean, it's not symmetrical, I think, because I noticed that before it was sticking out a little bit on a side. So yeah, you see, like this, it's not flush on this side. So it must mean that there's a way to get it fully flush, and I don't know what's the position for sure. So let's just try to rotate until it's sitting flush like this. Exactly. Beautiful. So that's the position. So there's no burr, and then you can just do pivot, and then make sure you have a stop pin in place. Make sure you use a little bit of 10 weight nano oil for these bearings, and then you've got your blade in and another bearing in, and 1, 2, let's say 3 drops of nano oil. One tiny drop of nano oil. That's way too much for the detent ball, which I'm gonna just remove because that's too much. Here you go. And then we are gonna use, of course, backspacer here, but in order to do that, we're gonna just, before using these two screws, like so, and making sure that it's aligned and already in place like this. Okay, just hold it in place like so, and there is nothing else remaining, so this guy is gonna just go like there. Perfect. So just a little bit, because we need to take care of the pivot situation. So just push down the lock bar, rotate the blade, make sure everything is flush, and then fully tighten down. Just be very gentle, guys, all the time with these T6. It's so easy to just to mar them and just strip them. It's too easy. You don't want to do that. Then make sure this is flush, and make sure the pivot color is also flush, and this is gonna go in place. And then you're gonna have these two T6 to take care of the carbon fiber scale, like 1 and like 2, like so, and that's perfect, done. And you just change the bit, you got your T8, and in this case, you know what, we can use a little bit of blue Loctite in order for us to avoid any unscrewing of the pivot. Maybe that's too much, that is perfect. And you're gonna be in business. So like that, blade is not fully engaged. Now we're gonna try to see centering. That's good. Ooh. Oof, guys. Nice deployment, I have to say. Very good. Let's maybe tighten this guy down. There's no blade play. Let me see, maybe it's a little bit too tight. Still no blade play. Ooh, look at this action, guys. I can already say that the area here needs a little bit more relief to disengage the lock bar, but yeah. Oh my God. This is a beautiful, smooth, controlled action. Fantastic. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.